Welcome you to this tutorial video. In this video, we'll be looking into converting decimal to any radix. And of course, when I say radix, I mean base. So as we can see, we have been provided with a step-by-step process on converting decimal to any radix. So let's proceed with solving the example using the steps provided. So we asked to convert 13.6 base 10 to base 2. So the first step says convert the integral part, and the integral part is 13. You can say the whole number part, and which is 13. So this is done by successive division method, and that implies that we're going to be dividing 13 by 2. So let's divide 13 by 2 successively. So 13 divided by 2, that is going to give us 6. So our remainder would be 1. How did I get 1? 6 times 2 is 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. So we divide 6 by 2 also. That is going to give us 3. Our remainder is going to be 0. And how did I get 0? 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. We divide 3 also by 2. So 3 divided by 2, that is going to give us 1. Our remainder is going to be 1. And we divide 1 also by 2. So 1 divided by 2 is impossible. So since it is impossible, we put back our 1 here. So since we've been able to do that, so 13 base 10 is equals to counting upward. Counting upward is 1 1 0 1 base 2. So now let's proceed to the step 2. It says convert the fractional part. The fractional part is 0.6. You can call it also the decimal part. So let's pick out 0.6. And how do we convert that? I say this is done by successive multiplication method. So we multiply 0.6 by 2 successively. So 0.6 times 2, that is going to give us 1.2. Take out the whole number, which is 1, and what you have left is 0.2. Multiply 0.2 by 2 is going to give us 0.4. Take out the whole number, which is 0. So what you have left is 0.4. You multiply that also by 2. That is going to give us 0.8. So take out the whole number is 0. So you have 0.8. Multiply that also by 2. That is going to give you 1.6. So take out the whole number, which is 1. So you have 0.6 times 2. That is equals to 1.2, which is 1. So at this point, to stop to avoid excessive repetition. So 0.6 base 10 is equals to counting downward is equals to 10011 base 2. So the third step says sum of the results obtained for both parts. So 13.6 base 10 is equals to 1101.10011 base 2. So we've come to the end of this video. Ensure you give it a thumbs up, and of course comment where necessary. See you in my next video.